So that is what you want, guys. That is exactly what you want. Okay, guys, so welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna replace this rear wiper, and I've already taken the tape off. I had to tape it up so it'll keep it from falling until I figured out what I was gonna do. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take everything apart. After a while, a lot of these plastic pieces, they get brittle. So we're just gonna replace everything. So first of all, you're gonna need a 13 millimeter, and this applies to pretty much we're gonna say 2007 GMC Chevy all the way up to a 2014. So you're gonna need a 13. All we're gonna do is we're gonna take this nut off. Alright, so we got the nut off. I'll take this part off. Probably gonna need a little persuasion, or maybe a little tap with the hammer. Let's get some okay guys, let's get some WD-40. Get some WD-40 for it. We're gonna put a little WD-40 on it. Just a little bit. Hopefully it's enough in here. Yeah, just give it a little spray so we can ease it up off of there. And this metal on the inside is pretty soft, so it's gonna, when I give it a little persuasion and tap it with that hammer, it's gonna slide on off. I might need to get my pry bar and maybe pry up against it a little bit. But yeah. Yep, don't need that anyway. Okay, let's see if this works, guys. Let's see. Let me get some pliers. Hey, what's going on, Doc? Yep. Let's get some pliers. Let's see if some pliers is gonna work, guys. We'll get some of these and we'll see if we can mash it together. See if it'll give us a little play. right, there it goes. It just needed a little manipulation. So we got it off. So I'm gonna try to clean this up a little bit before we put the other one on. And we're gonna take a look at the other wiper and make sure it's the same wiper, and we'll cut you back. This is the old parts. Alright. Snug it on down. Alright, that should be good enough, guys. I'm gonna close this back up. Let's see if we can fit this on the inside of it. Okay, so all right, snap it back in place. It's there. I'll go ahead and close this so we can try it out. And that's your new blade. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try it out. I'll be back in just a second. I'm gonna clean up everything. We're gonna try it out and make sure it works. This is the new wiper arm, including the new blade. It is now installed. So we're gonna check it out, make sure it is working. And I know for a fact I don't have any windshield wiper fluid in there, but I guess I will update you on another video as far as the windshield wiper fluid, just to show you. I just want to show you that the arm itself works. So that is what you want, guys. That is exactly what you want right there. So, and when I cut it back off, it should return itself to its holder. So I'm gonna cut it off, and when I come back over here, it should be, the wiper should be sitting in the holder. So let's make sure it's gonna do that. And like I said, it went back to the holder. It is perfectly done. So if you have a Yukon or a Chevy Tahoe, 2004 all the way up to a 2014, well, 2007 on up to a 2014, it's gonna be the same procedure. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. And that'll wrap it up for this video. That's it for another episode of Joe of All Trades.